Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Photoshop Art, and today we will edit this photo. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe for latest videos and latest editing. So let's start this video. So I use Photoshop CC for editing. So simply you can open image in Photoshop, but I will drag. As usual I did. Open image, Control 0 for full size. Okay, so we want to edit this photo, but on this layer we will not going to edit it, because if we add it on this video this layer, so what will happen, the editing will not change after the editing. इट मीन्स अगर मैंने इस पर कोई भी काम करा तो वो जो काम हम अगर हटाना भी चाहेंगे वापस से तो वो हटेगा नहीं, इसलिए हम लेयर्स पे काम करते हैं। तो नॉर्मली मैं इसकी एक लेयर बना लेती हूँ, कंट्रोल Z फॉर लेयर, यू कैन सी एंड यू कैन गो देयर। इससे भी आपको एक न्यू लेयर मिल जाती है। ओके, मैं इसे डिलीट कर रही हूँ। सो पहले हम इसका बैकग्राउंड जो है इसे हम ब्लर कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा। सो हम जाते हैं फिल्टर्स में एंड फिल्टर गैलरी एंड सेलेक्ट टिल्ट शिफ्ट। ओके, you have to rotate it. Easily rotated by there. Okay, इसकी ब्लरनेस हम इधर से बढ़ा सकते हैं और कम भी कर सकते हैं साथ साथ। तो आपको जितनी ब्लरनेस चाहिए हो आप उतने हिसाब से ले सकते हैं। ओके, ये जितना मैं करूँगी दूर इतनी ज़्यादा ब्लरनेस होगी। ओके, सो इसके हाथ से इसे हटा देते हैं। यू कैन सी द ब्लर एरिया। ओके, गो देयर, हाई क्वालिटी, और इफ़ यू डोंट वांट इन हाई क्वालिटी you can uncheck this box. Okay, it takes time, not too much, little bit. Okay, you can see the blurriness. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to cut this boy from this image. So we use this quick selection for quick cutting. सो ये सब तो आपको आता ही है। सो मैं इसे जल्दी जल्दी आगे निकाल रही हूँ वीडियो को। ओके, बट यस, मैं इसमें आपको एक आज बात बताना चाहूँगी कि जैसे हम ये कट कर लेते हैं तो उसके बाद हमने ये जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं इनको वापस से अनसेलेक्ट करना पड़ता है, और अगर हम चाहें तो वापस से अनसेलेक्ट नहीं होती है। जैसे कि मैं माइनस करके इसे यहाँ से करूँगी तो ये पूरा पीछे चला जाता है। तो हम इसको सही से सेलेक्ट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, पहले मैं इसका हाथ सेलेक्ट कर लेती हूँ एंड वी विल जूम दिस, कंट्रोल प्लस फॉर जूम। Panning with space. Okay, so what we have to do, we take this lasso tool and we will go into minus this. Okay, so you can use alt for minus, you can see minus, and you can click on this, but so you can see minus selection is there and you can minus it easily like this. can see it is very easy. You can minus it and you can plus alt, you can get minus. Now we will plus this easily. So it's another idea to cut this out and make a selection easily. Okay, so now you get it. I am going to pause this video and taking this by cut. Okay, so you can see that I make a selection of it. You can go to select and mask. Firstly of this layer, otherwise you can't see the transparency of the background. Okay, you can see the softness of loudness, and you can do one thing more. You can cut out this hairs easily and it look real if you use this brush there to make this selection out. Okay, I have already done this, so you can use this brush to make a selection of hairs. Okay, so go for settings, radius little bit, mostly minus this. Zero. Okay, smoothness is there. Feathers. What is going with my computer? I think it's hanging problem is there. Okay, little contrast this and select this and press OK for selections. Okay, open this layer and the blur one, so you can see that layer is there like this. You can see that. Okay, so now take a background, this one, press enter and take this cut out there and select light, and you can see select screen. Light and one is also good, screen is also good, so I take screen one. Okay, you can see another effects. If you like, you can select that also. So what we do, we have this layers first and we have to dark this background, otherwise our focus is not look good. Okay, so brightness and contrast, go to levels, little bit, and take gradient of black to this. Okay, and okay, opacity little, see the difference here. This one also take this, yeah, 85 approx. Okay, now open your layer and we need this background there. So we will take this background or copy. Okay, so press Ctrl Z and select with Ctrl D and right click on mouse and select vertical and horizontal and take a look there. This much is okay. Okay, and screen. Make a mask. Press B and remove this. Okay. Now take another background. There and select a look pattern. This one is good. Make another mask and press B and remove this. Okay, take this Ctrl Z, make this layer another, Ctrl Z and Ctrl T. मैंने उसी लेयर की एक कॉपी ली है एंड अब मैं उसे मैंने कॉपी Ctrl Z से ली है. Press Ctrl Z and take this effect there. Like this and make this opacity down and this one also, and you can increase this one. Ctrl T and okay, so it's set. What we have to do, we have to make this one copy again. Ctrl Z and take this there and mask this with Y and make a vector mask. Please go there, press B and remove this from there. Small your brush and remove all the things. Control plus for zoom. And remove this. And take this effect there. Okay, so you can see the effect. Now this image is little, you have to give a look. Little this one. And Editing is complete. What we have to do, we have to do some adjustment we have to do. So press Ctrl Alt Shift E and go to filter, camera raw filter, and adjust it. Filter view. Exposure, contrast, highlights, you can see the changes there in the circle, see highlights, it's affecting on the white areas. Okay, shadows is affecting on dark areas. What is this? Whiteness, clarity, you can adjust it from there also. Okay, we will not going to dark this too much. Okay, try to do this in a normal effect, otherwise it will pinch in your eyes. Okay, that's okay. And you can see the changes after the editing, and we can, so ये तो एक लुक हो गया. इसके साथ ही आप क्या कर सकते हैं, इसमें एक लुक दे सकते हैं. गो टू कलर लुकअप, सेलेक्ट and select to strip, and the other effect is there. So both the file is there, and make a JPG and upload on Instagram and take too many likes, and give me a subscribe one for this video. And if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe for more videos and need a support. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.